Hey, what's up? It's Jay Alvarez, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do your oil change on your 2009, 2010, 11, and 12 Dodge Ram 1500, the 5.7 Hemi. Let's go. Here's your oil pan, if you see, and there is your drain bolt. And in my truck, in this case, you guys can see that's the rear tires differential, so you guys can get an idea where it's at. This is the front. So anyway, mine in this case is a 1/2 inch. Let's go get it off. Oh, there it goes. Got my catch pen right there. There it goes. So while that's draining, let's go look at the oil filter, which is right there, right here. I think I'm gonna need my key to take this off. It's right next to the oil pan, if you guys can see. It's right there. Look at that. Once it's loose like that, you can unscrew it with your hand, but it gets messy, so I want you guys to see this so you guys can know what you're getting yourself into. I'm putting the oil pan right here. So look at that. Oh, it's real messy. I know I should be wearing gloves, but I ran out, so bear with me, guys. Oh, I got that mess. Okay, guys, all I did was wipe that out. That's where the new oil filter, and here's the new oil filter, and I put a little oil on the gasket so it could screw on nice. Okay, so now just slide the new one in there. Oh, focus, focus. There it is. Focus. Focus. There we go. Easy does it. So I like to hand tighten these because I think that's good right there. I've known some people that over tighten these. With the heat and everything, they blow up or they crack and leaks all the oil. And if I had people that I know seize their engines because that happens, so that's why I don't like to tighten it with the key or anything. I just like to hand tighten it and leave it. You guys, if you've done it before, you know it's just like a quarter turn after it gets a little hard, and that's about it. And I've never had any issues, no leaks, and it's always been good. All I'm gonna do now is wipe this down. And I think we're done. I put the bolt back on and we should be good. So this is what I'm using. I'm using the 5W20. That's what the manual says it takes, and I've never had any issues. I use the Ultra Synthetic XG2. I know a lot of people are going to be talking, oh, that's cheap, that doesn't work, but honestly I've never had any issues with them, so they work pretty good in my experience. So if you guys look at the cap, on the cap it says 5W20. So